Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a heat map in Microsoft Excel step by step. A heat map uses colors to highlight high and low values, making it easier to spot trends and compare data at a glance. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Open the worksheet that contains the data you want to visualize or create a new spreadsheet. For this example, we have a table of monthly sales figures. Next, select the range of cells that contains your data. Once the data is selected, click the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. In the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting. From the menu, hover over Color Scales. You'll see several built-in heat map styles with different color combinations. Click the color scale you want to use. Excel will instantly apply the heat map to your selected data. The cells with higher values will appear in one color, while lower values will appear in another, making patterns much easier to identify. If you'd like to customize the colors, go back to Conditional Formatting, select Manage Rules, then click Edit Rule to change the color scale, minimum, midpoint, or maximum values. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a heat map in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel tips, data visualization tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.